Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy BNB in 2025 using Binance app. So if you also want to buy BNB in 2025 using Binance app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is install Binance application. Binance application is available both in Play Store and App Store. If you're using Android devices, simply open Play Store. If you're using Apple devices, you can open App Store. Once the Play Store is open, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to search for Binance application. In order to search, simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in Binance. Now over here, you'll be able to find the application for Binance. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. I've already installed this application. If you haven't installed this application, you'll be able to find the option for install. All you have to do is tap on it. Wait for a while and Binance application will be installed. After Binance application is installed, all you have to do is open the Binance application. Wait for it to load. Make sure to create an account for yourself. If you're having problem on creating the account, you can check out our video on how to create account on Binance. Create an account for yourself. After that, log into your account. You can see over here, I'm already logged into my account. After you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the coins. Scroll down. You'll be able to find the cryptos over here. If you want to buy the BNB, all you have to do is tap on the BNB option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the chart. You can also see the option for 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the chart for that particular time period. Scroll down. You'll be able to see more information about BNB over here. You'll be able to see the rank, market cap, market dominance, circulation supply, max supply, total supply, issue date, issue price, etc. Make sure to analyze these informations very carefully. If you want to buy the BNB, simply tap on the buy option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to buy the BNB. All you have to do is enter the amount that you want to buy. Simply type in the amount of BNB that you want to buy. You can also choose the currency over here. Right now USD is selected. Simply tap on it. Now from here you'll be able to choose the currency. Tap on the currency that you want to choose. After that, all you have to do is tap on the option select payment method that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to select the payment method. If you have added any card, that card will be shown over here. All you have to do is tap on it. If you do not have any card added, simply tap on the type of card that you want to add. Right now, Visa or MasterCard is available. Simply tap on the confirm option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to add the new card. All you have to do is enter these informations. First of all, enter your first name and last name. Now also enter your card number. Now select the expiration date. Tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Also enter your CVV or CVC. After that, you'll have to enter the billing address. Simply enter the address. Make sure to enter the postal code too. Now enter the city. After that, you can see over here at the bottom of your screen, confirm option will be activated. All you have to do is tap on it. Since I do not have the card, I've written the random numbers in card number. That's why invalid card number is showing. But you'll be led to another interface. After that, all you have to do is simply select the card that you've just added. After that, complete the transaction, and after that, you'll receive the BNB that you've just bought. So that is how you buy BNB in 2025 using Binance app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.